This is a quick tutorial on how to stack columns in Google Sheets. So if you see, we have column 1 and column 2, and our desired output is this right here, column 1 on top of column 2. So to start off, we can do is you do equals curly brace, which is an array, and then we want this column right here. And if you end that curly brace, you can see you get your first column. So after the first column, if you do a semicolon, then your second column, you can see that they stack. Now the problem with this is if you were to expand your column, this wouldn't update. So what you can do is instead of to A6, you can just do to A, which will be the entire column, and same thing with B. And that's going to give you an error. The problem with this is it's pulling these two columns into one, which is more cell space than this one column has. So what we're going to have to do is outside your curly bracket, type filter, parenthesis, and then the first condition is the array we want to sort, filter. And then we're going to do comma, and then we're going to do a condition. So we're going to copy this, paste it in, and we're going to do does not equal 2 quotation marks, which is just blank, and parenthesis. So this is saying filter the array of these two columns where the value is not blank. Now if we hit enter, you can see that it stacks these two columns. If we add any more values, they appear. We can do duplicate values, anything we want. Thanks for watching.